back to succession plan.
Yeah.
Ukhado makafika into yakhe was no longer the same as how Rulani no Pito left it. How Rulani left it. Mina ngizokutshela all we can do now. Kay thathile ikhapu
Silisona.
And I my man, that's why. My man.
Ane angikho hip.
Okay.
Bekumele siyishi 3 point lokho Marabas.
Ladies and gentlemen, Quantum Diskeringos. Oh, Masam.
Mkhulu.
Ukrenja.
Number 1.
Smashes. Smash Africa.
Hola.
Easy.
Ngiyongena ikhulu Marabas. Uzwi. Ngiyangena ngiyaphuma Marabas.
Ngene ngaphuma.
Ungena waphuma.
Mara sangitholi 3 point.
Mara hlisa uphuma ngulime.
Le.
Shithi ibonile wena.
Ya noma ngahlangana kanjani. Marabastad.
Mara laba seOrlando ngathi bahafile ngibone babhale Orlando Chiefs.
Yeah, for the first time.
Angisho la last time uthi 10 years
Sundowns kabuye.
Chiefs kabuye.
No, yabona maso support abantu ongabafuni. Kuba nenkinga.
Support ama-enemy.
Yeah.
Mara kusama enemy kuba kusupport umntwana. That's the history behind children parents.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ifamily.
Baba nomntwana. Yeah, alright, baba nomntwana.
Yeah.
Not ama-fan. Angeke sibe abantwana or baba babethu.
Usho kanje.
Ibone njani igame yafana?
Hayi. Ilokhu igame yafana i-Chiefs ibe ne-plan. And I think lebasipanele but ingibuyisela kulokhuna kudabi because of kudabi bayenze the same thing second half bazoconcede so iplan labo lisebenza first half second half when they come back bazoconcede.
Usakhuluma ngeplay nje uphi tu?
Umfana I think maybe ube ne-injury because of if uyakhumbula nedabi azange ayiqede.
No, but ushido uyishaya research yakho. Wena kathi uyifeni njani? Phela makune injury bayas-update. Abakhulumanga angiyibona ngigama lakhe kulisa abantu abenjani. Uluboni?
Ama-coach ayafind ku-internet.
Yeah.
They thinking ukuthi sisikhiphe uDuba sifake uSwerinyo uyayazi Sundowns uzoyiqeda.
Okay.
And it's not the case this time.
And
nayiSundowns iplana ngasi ithi lo nenhliziyo encane.
No, yakapa siyamthuka lapha eba frustrated tholi yellow card tholi red card.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Usakhuluma nge-red card ke. I-red card yaka-Adams ikhostwa yini? Was it part of the game plan, i-plan from a coach or from a team or i-game imfrustrated nje or bekuyimi mistake?
No, i-game frustrated because ubheke ukuthi u-referee is not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Yabona. Undlovu uyakhahlela and then Tina kuyenzakaleni. This happens in football. Mawukhahlela nathi sisaqala siyakhahlela yabona. Unfortunately, Undlovu was supposed to get a red card long time ago. U-referee imhlulile igame. Asihlale lapho. U-referee igame imhlulile.
Okay.
Yabona. However, it's football. We live for that, and that's why I always say with South African football, I eating VAR because those are the moments that make football interesting. With this winning offside and all that. Once you take away that element in football, it's all border because now we want football to be very strict. It takes away that element. So, early foot within the game. So, Uref didn't do that, and then Gwenzagalani, you were Adam, so it was.
Sure.
And then one thing that Chiefs coach, you mentioned it, I was putting above the camera with you. But before we check, I'm keeping going. What am I going to red card? Why in some form check? Fuck it, try, come on.
Change your mind.
Exactly.
And something.
Melu change my mind ukuthi ngwenya sekenzakala into so was available because of une influence.
Oruvila ngazi ukuthi yedlala your position.
Yeah.
Akadlala siwing kuphela.
Exactly. And the boy is dangerous. Masingabheka ku DDC asese ku DDC bekangadlali wing.
Even nakuma-Phillies game. La trend ekhona abantu ababhaka bamcave ekhona.
Exactly.
I think as a number 10 Vilakazi inkunzi. Yabona. Even today, umbonile makangena.
Confidence.
Chacha walivala kusilva kodwa washaya idolo umfana omncane waje zambi. Uyazithemba umntwana. It's just unfortunate ukuthi the team ayidlalelayo team or lama coach alapha ya team. Given any coach, you can build a team around that one. Yabona. The only thing is that because intwana encane ama decision making ngamshaya lapho nalapho. Yabona kunale cross
intwana encane nangakhi.
hayi angazi nongabe
No, angisho ngifuna ukulungisa something because of eMzansi intwana mayingena incane kithi iba incane forever. Vile kazi just played under 20 ngasekudala of which I know very still young nami ngiyavuma.
18-19
Mara I believe ukuthi manje ufila kasimele ngabe sa first 11 eChiefs. Kanti sifuna ukuthi abe na 25 uzongena first 11.
but see we know South Africa at 27 we still a youngster.
We are
They don't trust you enough.
yeah, kuya ngebelieve yama coach because of let's go back to there's this boy a Sundowns uMapeni uRulan Mukwena bekamthemba but uthe uRulan Mukwena makaqeda ukuhamba ku Sundowns the boy even today we don't know where he is.
UDTC mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyambona uyadlala kuDTC.
And
But that's a South African problem. It's not just
Exactly.
Gulo Ntuzana.
Yeah.
It's a South African problem because think about it. Sundowns got one of the best DDC development structures. But what happens whenever Lentona says figure to the age of which male isn't going to first team? They know where to be found. And what is the point of having a development if you're not gonna go down and take those players and say
Exactly.
continue? Yeah, what? Because that's what in corporate terms, but a succession plan. In this case, Sundowns got a good development structure, but they're not using it as a succession plan here. Instead, they go elsewhere to go buy players. With the talent in the DDC Sundowns, you don't need to go buy players. You can literally pick them from Lapaya, Ubachat, Ubafag, Ubadla.
Oh, unangukhoza na kuyele kuDTC ke. Bekadlala.
That's the only way. It's actually gonna say
Mara sometimes bagusa kuDTC because of bafuna ube ne game time.
still.
They still believe in you, mara competition ibhala lapha. So you can't break into the first 11 then but intwana uyodlala ngani.
okay,
Ungabe rust.
if isifuna intwana ukuthi ilokhune ehambe yodlala ikhulu why kumele simbuyisele ku DDC asimlungeleni one of the teams ku PSL or ku NFD.
And remember, they
That's
used
how
to
intwana
apply the
zizokhula
strategy. We strategy Sundowns ve. Ubumshishi, they did the same thing
Yeah.
ubumshishi.
Makaya,
Fikile,
AC.
Mpumalanga play cases.
Exactly. So why kungayenziwa leyo nto eEurope phela bayenza kanjalo yinto abashaya
No, I said phela i-super sport. Beyithi bebawalonela ku.
Yeah, well, also.
I-competition, I mean i-relationship yasifana kuma teams.
yeah but thatha umfana umise noma kuyiphi ilokhuni team la azokhula khona ungamisi la azoba comfortable.
But you can also take him kumtsipe, Joe.
Exactly.
And there's more talent and there's more football kumtsipe.
Bese kube nabantu abamonitor ukuthi
Constant
the boy
progress
is
kuyenzakala.
ready
Yeah.
to come back and play or usa need more games.
Okay, it's a draw. Are you happy with the results?
No, I'm not here.
Why ungekho here?
Bofuna. Bofuna donate.
No, anye kube
Ifana na. Ushi.
no.
Be honest. I'm not going to camera to change the statement.
honest. Angikho here.
Okay.
Bekumele siyishiye 3 point elokhune. Emarabastar.
Okay, yeah, plus 2.
Yeah, bekumele sale emarabastar.
Isalilana.
Because of the way manje ngakhona. Wonke ama team adlala against the Sundowns. iPirates ifuna ama favor kuyo. Umuntu makafuna i-team mayifuna ukuwina i-league, kumele zenzele ispa.
No, that's football after all nje yami. Dala bafana sicalculate kanje ukuthi if eBurkina Faso ingadla ini ibani
Yeah.
nani.
It's football. But izokhula i-league yethu like sizogrowa nge-league yethu or we're not gonna go
Sizokhula because of
How?
iPirates na yajwayela ukudlala under pressure. Sundowns yajwayela. Phela lento besishilo on the last episode ukuthi bese bayibanana league.
Yeah.
Yeah, besazi before isizini iqala iSundowns iqala.
Okay. Can I ask something? Because ke yenzakala le. Let's say iPirates yayithatha i-league na the season. Next season iSundowns yabuya yiwina.
Anyeke win next season.
What's the
Angeke
difference?
win.
Ama team ungesiba strong manje.
No.
Besides that, no. See, akuzokuthi ama-team are strong. iSundowns idropile izinga layo lokudlala. Sundowns has turned into an ordinary team. You can beat Sundowns.
Yeah, but they can go back to the drawing board.
It's not as easy as it looks.
It takes time to build.
Not that it takes time to build. I think they would have to come back and refix the structure Saka Rulani Pito. Because Urulani took over from Pito. He continued it. It goes back to his succession plan.
Yeah.
Ukado so magafiga into yakhe was no longer the same as how Urulani Nopito left it. How Urulani left it. Even though Urulani, from where he got it from Upito, who struggling, but he perfected it. Amen. Uka those emotion. And not just him. I'm also going to blame sporting director Sundowns, Fleming Ben. He went and bought some players that don't fit his system.
Ribeiro figure ashine wonke ama team. I mean, my players in fact. Beka athumata wonke umuntu.
That's the important
Akekho umuntu bekakwazi ukummarka.
That's the important thing about buying a foreign player. You can't bring a foreign player that is going to be as average as a player that we have in South Africa.
Yeah.
If you bring a foreign
Name
player,
one from Sundowns.
if you bring a foreign
Name
player,
one from Sundowns.
who's average?
Yeah.
Funny.
I said name one. If you can't even name drop umuntu one and baningi.
Ngizombalo Allen.
Hayi mnandli.
Or compared to
Hayi mnandli.
I think Mkhulisi can also do what Allen did.
Exactly.
Sure, ngiyavuma mara le
So-
mnandli.
Nomkhulisi umnandi. So siyayibuya argument lokuthi yabona how you speak of Ribeiro. We saw him with Cup World Cup. Angithi. That's what we need. If you're going to go international, ubuya nento esinayo.
Usibile nabo Suarez. Ukuthi wabaplayana naye.
So, in fact, this is football and politics are the same thing, and real life it's the same thing. In fact, if ever you go outside to go in to buy a player, you must buy someone that's extraordinary than what we have here. So, if a team is say to Mshishi, whoever that you must bring must be above the caliber of Mshishi. I don't care whether it's left back or right back. But if Mshishi, this guy 120, that guy must give us 125.
Exactly.
And that should apply everywhere and anywhere. Yeah, boy. So, yeah, you can come and say Allen Dumnand. I agree. But we've got far better players than Allen.
Okay. Ipagania itrophy this all. I mean we need. Hey, sorry. Ipagania, hade. Ipagania we need this all.
Yeah.
Arsenal na iqedwe ukuthatha league so of which Ipagania bewaloku be compare ne Arsenal. So don't you think lento leyo izoba inspiration to Ipagania ukuthi the last 3 games collect all 9 points.
Ukuthi Arsenal lithathe league ayakathathi league. Ayakathathi City sanelo khona isane game kumele bayidlale igame enene. If they win all their games ilokuna Arsenal drop because of manje iku final Champions League.
You have to pick and choose.
Yeah,
You sacrifice.
yeah, which one uyifuna?
No, ne point.
Pick and choose.
No, ne point. Okay, asibuyele kuPagania ke. Last 3 games 5 win.
Last 3 games.
9 out of 9.
Given City,
Or 7 out of 9.
Obidi, Magezi, 9 points, Banige, Iligi,
Not
Tachani
no.
Cup, no share Orlando,
No.
Kone
Kone one abayothola itilo kune 1 point kuyo. Kule 3 games. Kule 3 games. Beka lama team lawa iObiti iMagezi. Balemkotini.
Hey, uzima ukudlala ama team manje.
Balemkotini because
Hey,
wonke umuntu olemkotini ufuna ukusuka. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukuya ku relegation and iObiti neMagezi I think it's 3 point abashiyana ngayo 3 point or 2 point. So ukuya kulama game so kuba
Ipagania jamais motivated out here. I don't see them losing even a single
Thank you.
game.
Mina, ngizokutshela ivara. All we can do now. Sky thathile iCup.
Silisole.
And my man, that's why.
Aye.
My man. I think if you look at it, I'm a game asele ku Sundowns. Nama game asele ku Pirates. Akufani. Isandowns sele nge-TS Galaxy. Isele ngesiwele. Isele nani futhi.
it's only 2.
So yeah, ngoba le yeah. Yeah, in the
Yeah,
game.
yeah.
But we Chiefs says yeah.
Yeah, iSundowns sidlala 28.
Sidlala 28.
Ipagania 27. Yeah, right.
So-
Sele nga 2.
So
And iSundowns ingayiquality 6 point yonke.
no, it's a collect, but also goal difference. There is no way they can score so much goals in the 2 games that's left. And the Pirates are going to go.
iPirates bangenza i-draw 1 so yenzakala.
No, China. But I don't think they will draw.
Ayi wafa bafethu.
Hayi wafa.
Mara i-Chiefs bashayela ispan vandag.
No Chiefs bayenzele a huge favor. And to find Sundowns a draw against the Chiefs, that tells you about the caliber of football they play. The game has dropped. Team,
but i-Chiefs noma iwumswahla esibantu basho bathi imswahla still
Beyisokolisa.
beyidlela ebunzimeni.
beyisokolisa.
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi beyihlula.
Okay.
Beyisokolisa. There's a difference. Ukuthi kunomuntu uyasokolisa.
Do you think Cardos was supposed to play 2 strikers today?
It was
Because
gonna
ngibone
be,
igame esezophela sekafaka uShalulile noReina ngesikhathi esiwa.
it was gonna work for him, 2 strikers, because that's what you need. You need to win the game. Sometimes you need to make that.
It was a must win
sacrificial
for
line.
him.
As in Minasia, that's why in football I always say, you can win dirty. Yeah, but
Just like Pirates.
Sundowns today was supposed to come in to frustrate the Chiefs. The more your defense is working, the Chiefs, the more is a spanner, the more is a banana mistake. Yeah, but each defensive Chiefs, one thing you need to know about them is by correct. The wall here Chiefs is in Peterson. You understand? So if you're gonna have a game whereby it's got midfielders and good for your style of play in terms of build up. But what do you need the most? You need a win. Kali game, 2 strikers. Even if you call it 3, you can play it top. You root football, ukuthi lo maka ulion no tuzana boyuchuba kitchen. Ulion no Renas. Boyuchuba kitchen. Ube no Shalulile la paya. You gonna frustrate defensive Chiefs because one thing you need to know, Msimango no McCarthy, they're not good in running. Very soon,
They are slow.
you understand? So you start a game like that, or you start a game with 1, but you make sure in terms of going forward, you carry game with Salim. But you tell him, make sure you cut in, so that you make the defense to work. Yeah, but if you're gonna come with the build-up, you're going to frustrate the Chiefs, but the Chiefs they will manage you. They're going to behave.
Okay. Msimango, I mean, McCarthy no Ndamane. I saw them fighting. Is it personal because much the cooler wonga work development to Chiefs, or it's just the intensity of the game?
Okay. Zikhula zonke kwi-DDC. So
Mara, my point is the game the level bekuyo yabo.
Yeah.
Ishisa beyinzima like so amachita bo frustrated yabo. So
No.
because bakhule bonke.
yeah, but in football,
Okay.
it's game of emotions.
Yeah, nothing
Yeah.
is personal. After
Yeah,
games,
nothing
we shake hands.
personal.
If you look at it, even yesterday it happened, Murile, Anyatela lay out layer.
But if it was the other way around, bezotrenda kakhulu.
It's football.
Exactly.
Abantu bebazothi hayi yabona bamenzana umfana
Exactly.
mara makuye get away with it.
Exactly.
Icheke kanje. Football is a psychological game. What I want to do is I want to frustrate you. Firstly, if I frustrate you and you react, you can get a red card.
Sure.
So you might find Uguti, Omakati, that's what he wanted from Undaman.
Okay.
Uguti, I'll frustrate him and then he reacts so that he gets a red card. Or even because what happened is Undaman will react in a pants. Uguti nje ureva kabona. Yabona. Umakati makasukuma wenzani uyampusha urev nakhona kabona. It's such things that you
I
use.
think
Yeah. No. Undamane i-product Chiefs. Babuya bonke.
That's why
Omunye bekashayisa omunye page.
No,
Badlala bonke.
Yeah.
Umeketi,
Sikhule
he was
sonke
playing.
now, yabo.
He was playing
Yeah,
left back.
ihlale
Undamane
khona.
is centre back.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, ihlale
Kanti
khona lento
bayitshintsha
ukuthi
manje.
alenge ngizozwa ngayo.
That's why ucheke uLokhuna Umeketi. Ungambona kule game le aku center back nenene bamsisile bamisa ku left back. But
As more than football, I'm a player amaningi vela sala 2 or 3 positions.
But you need to be versatile as a
Sure,
player.
sure.
But manje into engiba worried ngayo it's Chiefs because of ngathi sekuba nama game nama player abawabekela certain games because of
Abondlovu, abo Cross.
yeah why bebangekho against iLokhuna Iswele
Because the game is not bebathatha serious. They
lawo
had to
manje
reserve players for it.
So living
so
in
le Iswele le bengekho serious
They serious.
Yonke game is serious.
Mara bona babona ukuthi bangayiwina ngale squad abasifakile.
so they don't take us serious.
That means they gave too much respect to Sundowns.
Maybe. But also it happens now I'm a player.
They did likewise
Yeah.
ngeDerby. Baphethe ama-player before iDerby, ba reserve
Okay.
But also it happens hard ukubhala. It happens in modern football whereby i-player ungalifaka against iswelele njani nonsense. Uyalifaka against i-Sundowns. I-change from 50% to 200% contribution.
As why khona amanye ama-game akumele angeke umotivate ama-player bona ngokwawo le game abazobe bayidlala izobe kuyi-motivation so
Uyakhathi against abobani.
yeah seyibuyela
Adelela le.
seyibuyela ku-professionalism.
Simple.
Yeah.
Every game is important as a
Yeah,
player.
as a player. If uzokhetha ama-game ifana nalama-team abo-Richards Bay uwathole adlala against i-Sundowns or i-Chiefs or i-Pirates bakunikeze i-performance top.
Next game
But the
badlala
next game
ne-Arrows.
yeah
edrobheni.
ubona ngathi akusile lineup le beyidlala.
Sure.
So icala manje iyenzane ama-team sewayabheka especially abo-Sundowns bazokubona ukuthi okay uperformile against team ithi sikubone mawudlala against abo Arrows bangaboni le performance le anyeke bakusayine because of la bazobe bakudinga khona against
show
abo
up.
Arrows you won't show up.
Do you think ukuluza umuntu nge-first half kukhawathile wena njengekhosi?
Akungikhawathi hayi ingwenya le
Yiyo usho ngakho bozongena uphume vele mara basi.
yeah bengizongena ngiphume ingwenya le ingwenya yabona ukukhuluma iqiniso that boy
Star play.
yeah star play uye oyenza izinto zenzeke for ilokuna i-Chiefs so ukumluza so kuba i-problem mara akhona amanye ama-player
Sure.
if ama-coach azoyenza into e-right play Vilakazi la bekudlala khona umuntu umbone ukuthi unjani kuleyo position uyekele ukumbeka lelo kuneni elayinini abantu ekumele babele elayinini abo-2 Breeze bakhona
Vele akhona ebhentshini fanaka I was hoping bazomfaka nje.
With his speed zakhe, he was gonna frustrate Mamelodi Sundowns.
sure.
Yeah.
I was hoping
Yeah.
bazomfaka.
Because there was a time now Silva Berektimile for more than
Yeah.
from 60 minutes Berektimile.
Yeah.
So would have given Yabona Maba keeper Ulilepo. They could have also taken out the Breeze.
Or ulele pomamiyeke bambuyisele side.
No.
Asenze so.
You bring in ulokunu vele pai u-2 Breeze
Vilakazi.
no Vilakazi.
Amasapa babo wasiphathanga wona.
I think also
Abasiphathanga.
I think also you need to realize here Guti, we are expecting too much from Lamachita Petty Chiefs, but those people are not coaches naturally. And they get instructions.
Exactly.
So they do based on instructions.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Where
That's
is the
why.
proof?
Yeah.
Where is the proof?
Because of English bias la
Ulalele ngaka.
azi khona enye game masidlala ne-Richards Bay
This is
izosidla
modern football, bro.
izosidla elokhuneni eDurban masidlala nayo Richards Bay konjibani Gerard Sibeko kulawo amanye amagame bekahlala le phezulu mara ngale Richards Bay uGerard Sibeko bekaduzane nebench and seyakhomba vele ukuthi kuyenzakalani umuntu abamthumayo nawo bona anyeke basondele la bazohlala le phezulu mara instruction bazoyisa kubantu
Kusibeke.
yeah uSibeko uye uzoyenza nozotshela lamajita ukuthi sapana umuntu eso nefakeni umuntu eso sebayazi nabo ukuthi instruction ibuya if next season uPito uyaza lapha ku-Chiefs but I don't think ukuthi uzoza Pito and Ben McKay I don't think ukuthi bazoza because of those two guys bafuna yonke into kube yibaba
Bafuna full control.
yeah ukuthi singenza into yami mangihluleka uzokwazi ukungixosha
Asinayo proof leti esikhulumayo asiye.
no
Sizwa abantu.
Davila.
Sizwa
Yini le
abantu.
Davila
Davila.
Mara Silva, I think he is one of the most important players which is this season. He delivered for them.
Let me tell you something about the Silva. He's one of the guys I used to criticize a lot. I still do though. I go come nine. Yeah, what? But he gets the job done.
In his past
Yes.
strike.
Yeah, that's why I need to
scores.
get the job done.
Yeah.
Mamela ngithi mangisho kanjani. Silva as much as uyambona noma dlala ibhola ukuthi akekho mnani. Mari confidence yakhe. Uyabona?
EM7.
Uyalifuna ibhola damani. And damani unokuthi aqeda ukubheda nje straight aphinda alibize futhi.
Yeah.
And uma ngabheka, yeah, no serious. And uma ngathi uyabheka these games opha ama player Chiefs ongafuna ukumpasa. Because bayazi ukuthi ngathi akasikayi next. But he will show up, especially where we need him
And
the
he
most.
knows how to position himself.
Uthuma mina la out there.
Yeah.
You understand? Uthuma mina. Aka guy next. But the pressures we find, it's worth something. Yeah, boy.
une-height la yonke into.
No, but also unentanda ngoba vele sinenkinga ye-strike eSouth Africa.
Yeah.
Intanta yakhe le uthi sinenkinga ye-strike.
Job numbers don't lie. The important ama-goals akhona.
Yes, that's why ngithi unentanda ngoba sinenkinga ye-strike.
Right.
We've got a national crisis
He
ye-strike.
is well developed.
Hayi.
Lo mchita lo
Angala first touch is all.
And i-striker phela
Bekadlala kuphi last
No,
season?
but i-striker
Down.
uright usiyama uright usmash makakhuluma nawe first esithathu. It's rare ukuthi uyi-strike uthole ibhola at a position whereby we won. You need to know how to trap the ball. Ukholela abantu. Anoma yi-one ala tunyuzwa nje.
Yabona ku Chiefs umuntu engilokhu nayo engibona ukuthi injury isibulalile ngayo uyikodora. That guy.
Kanti akapholi.
Uyaphola. Sho ukuthi sesizwe simbona next season because seyiphelile isizini. But that guy mangabuyela emuva ubheka ama game awadlalile. He can trap the ball, he can hold the balls and akawaluza ama ball. That's why abulile bebabonakala.
All right.
And you need a striker actually.
Asivale bafethu. Asivala kanje. Esowethu ba happy.
Kuliphi side?
Esowethu yo.
Kuliphi side?
Esowethu be United.
Yeah, no.
No.
For the first time.
No.
Esowethu be United.
That's Nyako United.
Esowethu ba happy.
That's Nyako United. Beba Sports.
No, lale.
No.
Yazi tricky ba. Ukuthi I'm a supporter for Sundowns. I'm a player for Pirates. Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Bebayenzela ni favor.
Yeah.
I'm a supporter for Sundowns. I'm a player for Pirates.
Yes sir.
And the ball
And the
laban.
management for Pirates.
And the ball
Yakubula
laban.
le 2 million. Yakubula le 2 million.
2 million.
Epeti.
Epeti.
Epeti
Ah,
gift.
yabo. Yizo lezi.
Yakubula. I will return the favor one day.
No.
You return the favor one day.
You know,